All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at lesson 13-7, area and the distributive property. So in this lesson, we're going to be distributing or sharing the first factor in each sentence, all right? So these problems kind of look similar to lesson 5.1 with distributive property seen with the array type problems. So it's kind of similar to that, except instead of arrays, we have squares for the square units in these types of area problems. So my first factor, like I said, stays the same. It's still 6, okay? My original equation is 6 times 5. 6 times 5, all right? My second factor, which is 5, is going to be broken into two smaller factors when added together equal the same value of 5. 2 and 3 added together equal 5. 2 and 3. And means plus, okay? So my original sentence is 6 times 5, but I'm breaking apart this total into two smaller rectangles by taking the 5 and splitting it into 2 and 3. So now I have 6 times 2 and 6 times 3. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 6 times 3, 18, equals 30. Just like 6 times 5 equals 30. All right, let's practice this again. Like I said earlier, my first factor stays the same. It's 5 and it stays 5. My original sentence is 5 times 7. 5 times 7. I'm splitting this large rectangle into two smaller ones. So I'm breaking apart the number of columns. Columns go down, up and down like the letter L in columns. So instead of having a total of 7 columns, I've split it into 4 and 3. But 4 plus 3 still equals 7. So again, my value has not changed. It just looks different. Instead of 7, it's a 4 and a 3. So now the 5 is going to be distributed between the 4 and the 3. 5 times 4 and 5 times 3. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 5 times 3, 15, equals 35, just like 5 times 7 equals 35.